Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Angle of elevation and angle of depression. Let us consider this height AB is the height of anything, whatever it may be AB. AB may be any building. A person is standing here before the building. E is his eye point at eye. Now, if he is looking at the top of the building, like he is looking at point A, like this. If he is looking at A, elevate you mean, you know that elevate mean to raise some. Elevate mean to raise something. Now, when he is looking in upward direction, so this is the horizontal line. I have mentioned a horizontal line like this. This is a horizontal line, and that person is looking at the top of the building. Now this angle, when he is looking at the top of the building, this angle is called angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Okay. Now, if the same person at the same time, when he looks at the bottom of that building, he is looking at the bottom of the building like B. This angle with the horizontal, remember this, whether this is the angle of elevation or it is the angle of depression, both the angles are made from the horizontal line. So this angle is called angle of depression. Angle of depression. Okay, now, for example, a person is standing at E point. In this figure, if the person is looking on the floor at point P, now he is making an angle of depression. So we have to draw a horizontal line like this. The person is standing at E, he is looking on the floor. At the floor, there is a point P. Now he is going to make an angle of depression. Now this will be the angle of depression. Angle of depression. According to the properties of the parallel line, as you know that if two lines are parallel and there is a transversal line, then this angle of depression and this angle will be alternate to each other. So whatever this angle is, say this angle is X, so this angle will also be X because these are alternate angles. So you can say that if a person is looking at the top of the building, this is the angle of elevation. So if somebody at the same time is looking down towards that person, so this will be the angle of depression. So remember a very simple rule that if somebody is looking from the top to the bottom, then the angle with the horizontal is called angle of depression. And these two angles are alternate to each other. This is the 90-degree angle. So a right angle triangle is formed. So this is a very simple rule to understand the angle of depression or angle of elevation. At the same time, if somebody is standing here and he is looking at the top of the building, so this will be the angle of elevation. From down to up, this is an angle of elevation. If he is looking from up to down, so it will be angle of depression. So both are basically at this from the same points, whether you are looking from here or you are looking from here, because these two angles are alternate to each other, and you know that alternate angles are always equal to each other. I hope you understand.